Hey you guys, so I bought this Delta combo shower head and handheld chrome finish to try out in our shower right now. That's what our shower head looks like, and it's been there since we moved in, so I thought I'd change it out and see how well it does. Alright, so here's the pieces unboxed. We got the shower head, the handheld, and the cord. So I believe you should be able to just screw it in and go from there. So let's see what we can do. Okay. Unscrewed the shower head from the little pipe there, and I'm gonna screw in the new one. So I screwed in the new shower head, and this is what it looks like. I tested out the water pressure and everything is flowing nice and strong, just as it was prior to switching it out. That was my husband's main concern. He thought that it wouldn't flow as hard. All right, so we're just going to screw it into the handheld on one end. Screw in the other end to the shower head. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Voila. And then you can pop the handheld right in there, and you're in business. I'm gonna actually keep it a little angled so that it can flow straight down, and also that so the cord isn't right in the way of this knob here. So there you go, folks. Let's test out the entire thing. So we already showed the pressure is good on the regular head. Let's see what this does. So that changes it to that. Alright. And then, okay, so 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's all of them on, including the handheld. So if I just want the handheld, I click it to the right position, and there's the handheld. Oh yes, so this is gonna come in handy when it comes to giving Chloe showers. She's been wanting to shower lately, so that'll really help me to bring it down to her level. Also, when I want to clean the shower, it's gonna be a breeze with this handheld. Yeah. Then you just pop it right back in. There is a little button on the handheld though. I'm trying to figure out what exactly it's for. 3, which if I'm not mistaken is pointing to that button. To change spray modes, press the button 3 to cycle through settings until the desired setting is reached. So if I put it on handheld only and then try the button, oh, you gotta push it kind of hard. Okay. It's a mister, hard miss. Alright y'all, so the Delta In2ition 2-in-1 shower head and handheld. It's everything that the box says it is. It has those 4 settings, full body spray, and it wasn't a mist, it's more of a drenching rain spray. Then you have the shampoo rinsing spray, and then you can pause it all together. It does definitely install in minutes, no tools required, simply twist it on super fast. So I paid about, I believe, $49.99 if I'm not mistaken. It says designed for optimal pressure, which it definitely kept the pressure just as it was. It has the chrome finish, although it is made of plastic, and the hose is stainless steel, 60 inches long. So it's really sleek and it looks good in the shower, and I highly recommend it, you guys.